Bookkeepers of Australia, I feel your pain. Just when you think you're getting on top of everything, something else comes along to throw you off balance. Why is it that BAS reports always coincide with school holidays? And you do such a good job at keeping your clients' accounts up to date, but not so much your own. Where is your quality family time? Where is your stable cash flow? You know, you can do so much better than this, but it's difficult to make it happen. So I've produced the Bookkeeper Bliss workshop. And in this workshop, we cover some of the common challenges that are faced by bookkeepers everywhere. The first one is problem clients. You know the ones. They're impossible to get a hold of. They don't give you the paperwork that you need, and they drag their feet paying you, and it's time to sort these guys out. The second one is the workload. It spikes, and there's troughs in between. You've got BAS reports every 3 months, and maybe, some end-of-month processes, but in between, there's very little work, and sometimes, especially if you're managing the workload for a staff, it's really hard to maintain something to do. So we can sort that out. And then the third one that we look at is, what is the direction of your business? What direction is it going in? How much longer are you going to operate the way you are? Does your business bring you joy? Are you the master of your business or a slave to it? So in this workshop there's a printable workbook, and in each chapter as we go through there's templates to complete as we go. And by the end of it you'll have a tailor-made action plan for your business to be the best kind of business that you possibly can be. So let's get started. Sign up now and take the first step to the bookkeeping business that you really want to run.